Okay guys, this is what happens when my computer likes to freeze, the video card fucks up. Just listen. Hold on. Okay. Well, that's what it does typically. It screws up the whole computer. Just freezes my computer up, can't do nothing about it. Only about 5% of the time it unlocks itself, fixes itself. Oh. That's the normal noise it does sometimes. It's nothing wrong with my speakers. My speakers are just fine. It's my computer. It's a video card. Something's fucked up with the video card. I've got state-of-the-art computer right now. Best parts available. Just everything. It's the video card that pisses me off. So that's what it does.